Hello students, today we are going to understand bicyclic and spiro compound. So bicyclic compounds are the compound which contain two rings. Any compound having two rings are known as bicyclic compound. Okay, let us have the look over it. If two rings share one carbon, the compound is a spirocyclic compound. If two rings share one common carbon, the compound is called a spiro compound or simply spiro compound. So here you can see here, student, in this compound what is their common carbon? This carbon is common for the A and B ring. So this is spiro compound. Here is also same things, spirocyclic compound. This carbon is a part of ring A as well as ring B. So this kind of compound is known as spiro compound. If the two rings share two adjacent carbon, the carbon compound is fused bicyclic. So here is, see you student, that is, this is the carbon. If two ring share two adjacent carbon, this is the adjacent carbon, this is the adjacent carbon. Okay, the compound is a fused bicyclic compound. If the two rings share more than two carbons, the compound is called bridge cyclic compound. Bridge cyclic. So bicyclo, this is the more than two. Here is one more carbon is there. So that is what they are saying. If the two rings share more than two carbons of the compound is bridge cyclic compound. Okay. Now, if you talk about Ipsc nomenclature of bicyclic compound, so first is bicyclic compound are named by using the alkane name to designate the total number of the carbon and the prefix bicyclo or spiro to indicate the number of shared carbon. Prefix spiro indicate one shared carbon and the bicyclo indicate two or more shared carbon. The following compounds, for example, contains 7 carbon atoms and is therefore a bicycloheptane. You can see this compound, student. So here is one carbon is there. Okay, on this, on the bridge head there is two carbon is there. Two carbon, in this ring, two carbon in this ring, that is, and bridge head two carbon. So that is, you can see here, the two carbon atom common to both rings, number of such carbon atom is either 1 in spiro or 2 in bicyclo are called the bridgehead, and each carbon chain of the atom connecting the bridgehead atom is called the bridge. After the prefix spiro or bicyclo come bracket that contain number of carbons in each bridge. Okay, so number of carbon in bridge are listed in increasing order of in case of spiro. So spiro 3 4 octane, 3, and here is 3 carbon and 3 4 octane. Spiro, here is 4 and 5 carbon decane, because here is the smaller is there and that is larger. Now if we talk about the number are listed in order to decreasing bridge length in bicyclic compound. So here this is 4, this is also 4, and here is 0 is there, only the bridging position is there. So 0 carbon bridge. So bicyclo 440, bicyclo 440, what will be there, student, if you talking about the how many decane, and here is one is there. Okay, on the two bridgehead one position is there. So bicyclo 431 decane, and here bicyclo 2, here 2 and here is 1, bicyclo 221 heptane. Numbering in bicyclic compound start from any one bridgehead carbon and move along the longest carbon bridge to the next bridgehead carbon. Continue along the next longest carbon bridge to return to the first bridgehead carbon, so that the shortest bridge is numbered last. Okay, what they are saying, the numbering in bicyclic compounds start from any one bridgehead carbon and moves along the longest carbon bridge to the next neighboring carbon. Continue along the next longest carbon bridge to return the first bridge carbon, so that the shortest bridge is numbered last. So here if you see, that is, you are continuing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, then bridgehead 8. Okay, bicyclo 3 2 1 decane. Okay, okay, no name. Now if you talk about this one, So this is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is 8. So 8 bromo, 2 methyl bicyclo, 3 to 1 octane. And here if you see, so here is longest chain, we are going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 bromo, 6 methyl bicyclo, 320 heptane. So this is all about the Ipsc nomenclature of the bicyclic compound. Thank you so much for watching, friends.